How to delete your all posts, videos, photos at once on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can delete your all photos, videos and posts at once on your Facebook profile. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all you got to do, you have to open up your Facebook app, and after that go to your profile, and once you are on your Facebook profile, now tap on these three dots next to edit profile. Tap on here, and once you are here you will get a bunch of options, and one of is activity log. Tap on activity log, and from here you have to scroll down a little bit, and here you will get your activity across Facebook. Tap on here, and now scroll down a little bit again, and here you'll get post. Tap on manage post, and after that at the top you will get filters. Tap on here, and then tap on categories, and then you will get bunch of options here, and now you have to tap on your post, check-ins, photos and videos. Tap on here, and after that tap on all at the top side, and now you have to tap on recycle bin. Tap on here, and then tap on move to trash, and here you can see that Facebook says to us, we are still processing your changes. That means Facebook will take some time to delete all your posts. And once you have done this, after 2 or 3 hours later, you have to come here and then tap on recycle bin, and from here at the top you will see all. Tap on here, and then tap on these three dots, and then tap on delete, and then again tap on delete, and we are done. So following this simple process, you can also delete your all posts, photos and videos from your Facebook account. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.